So now we're going to talk about how to organize the paragraph. You have your topic sentence, and we're going to include 4 sections in your paragraph. 1, which you should already have done, the topic sentence. 2, sentences about the positive qualities about the character, sentences about the negative qualities about the character, and then your concluding sentence. So the work should be done by the time we get to this stage of writing the paragraph. The topic sentence should make a statement about your character. What kind of person is he, she? What is the most outstanding characteristics? Is he all good? Does she have bad qualities? Make a solid judgment about Achilles in this case, and be prepared to back up that judgment with evidence. Then the next part is sentences about the positive qualities of Achilles. So look over your character analysis notes about all the positive qualities of this character. Try to group similar thoughts together and use examples from the story. Be sure to use transition words in your writing, and it makes your ideas flow smoothly. It makes your writing much smoother. You don't want it to be choppy and just thrown in there, okay? Avoid listing sentences. We're not going to just put a whole bunch of ideas in one big giant list. Create a positive story about your character. Step 3 would be the sentences about the negative qualities of Achilles. So you're going to focus on what were those negative qualities, arrange them in a sentence, very similar to what we just did with the positive qualities. Okay, and then the final step, you can do 2 sentences for positive, 2 sentences for negative, and then it brings us to the end of our paragraph, the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence, of course, wraps up your analysis, and you're going to summarize all of your information. You might go a step further and explain a deeper understanding about the character, or give some insight based on the information that has already been presented. To help you to begin the sentence, use one of these concluding transition phrases. You can say, in closing, therefore, or to sum up, in summary, all in all, on the whole, in the end, or some other phrase that you choose.